Hi everybody, I am going to discuss theta join. Subject is DBMS and topics is relational algebra. Theta join. This is a topics operator. This is an operator of relational algebra. So theta join produce all combination of tuples. Produce all combinations of tuples from two relations that satisfy the join condition. It is also called conditional join. It is also called conditional join. Theta join produce all combinations of tuples from two relations that satisfy the join condition. It is a binary operator. Symbol is syntax is that is R is the table relations and there is another relation S, then there is a condition C. Here C is the condition. So natural join with condition is known as theta join. This is natural join and this is a condition. So natural join with a condition is known as theta join or conditional join. R and S are relation. Suppose R natural join condition, S is the concept of theta join. This can be written as this way we can written as this is condition C means select those condition after performing the Cartesian product between R and S. When the condition is satisfied, then you have to consider this is known as theta join. It is also written as this one is also written as this way, that is theta mean this is conditions. This theta is known as conditions. This theta is known as condition. So this is the concept of theta join. C is the condition to the attribute. C is the condition or theta is the condition to the attribute. Mean when we perform Cartesian product, then condition is applied, then we will get the theta join. In case of theta join, we can use less than, greater than, or any other operators, relational operator during the calculation. Now, consider the example. Suppose this is the table name is suppose there is a table R which consists of A, B, C, and another table that is S which consists of suppose B and D. Now A170 that is 1 Kolkata, 2 Mumbai suppose, B280 and C390. Suppose I perform the operations that is I want to display pi A B C, that is A B C D. D is consist of S table, so we can display R dot A, R dot B, R dot C and S dot D, and there is a condition is there. Condition mean there is a sigma. Suppose condition is B dot, that is condition is B dot B, there is R dot B, that is R dot B. B consists of in here R dot B greater than suppose 1. This is the condition from R cross S. Cross mean Cartesian product. When you perform Cartesian product, then the condition it is known as theta join, and natural join, that is it will perform these conditions, that is R dot B greater than 1 S. So this is known as theta join, mean conditional join. A natural join with a condition is known as theta join or conditional join.